Hi, my name is Justin. I'm with ExcelGainz. Today's video is a crash course on VLookups. Now, for this example, just say you are an HR specialist and the corporate office in New York sends you a 6-digit identifier for every employee in the entire company. Then your boss turns around and asks you to assign this 6-digit code to every employee. A quick VLookup would be a way to do this in one fell swoop. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by hitting equals VLookup, and then I'm going to click the FX next to the formula bar to bring up the formula builder, which is helpful when you're working through these formulas for the first time. Now, the lookup value. This is the definition of lookup value, is the value to be found in the first column of the table. Okay, we're in row 9. In cell D9, the lookup value is going to be Joe Blow. So all I'm going to do is click on it. Next, the table array is a table of text, numbers, or logical values in which data is retrieved. Where are we retrieving data? The legend from corporate A2 to B5. There we go. The next function argument is the column index number. Okay, 2 columns in this table array. We're looking at the first column and I want to return the second column. So the answer is 2. The last function argument is the range lookup. This is the easiest part of the formula. False is an exact match, true is an approximate match. For this example, we want an exact match of 6-digit codes. So I'm going to type false. Hit OK. Now, when creating a VLookup, the table array needs to be an absolute reference. What does that mean? I'm going to highlight A2 to B5, which you see as a red box here. Hit function key F4. Now those money signs next to the rows and columns will lock that reference there. Hence the name absolute reference. We're absolutely going to refer to A2 to B5 no matter where we bring this formula. I'll hit enter. Now, a lot of people get confused with this part, which sections of the formula to make absolute. Just remember that the lookup value is going to change when we drag down our formula. However, the table array is locked. It's as simple as that. So now that I've made my formula, I'm going to double click this green square, drag it down, and we're done. That's a crash course on VLookups. Be sure to subscribe if you want some more ExcelGainz.